I honestly don't know if you should buy the Maniere Diffused blue colorway. Look at the history of the Manieres, aka the black pair, low-key going for below retail for months. We also saw the Jordan 4s in the Phantom colorway, another banger that ended up going for below retail for a minute. So it's like, do I bite the bullet and pay $300 for them, or do I possibly even wait and get them below retail? What's good, family? Today we got another special video for y'all. These actually released March 15th, and I think it's a solid sneaker coming from this brand. I don't really want to waste too much time. If y'all doing up enjoying this video, get this one to 350 to 400 likes. And if y'all feeling frisky, get it to 500. That way I could drop the on feet for this pair. This is some heat though. I'm excited to see these. Been sitting right down there for like a week at this point. Y'all already know what's going on in this box. Peel this paper back and we got a pair of Maniere Jordan 3s. We get that sleeve from the old Amas before the While You Were Sleeping, which I'm gonna pull out in a second just to make my point on why you shouldn't buy these yet. I'm not trying to get y'all to hate on the video, but I'm being honest, bro. Prices these sneakers be going for before release doesn't make sense for everybody. For me, it does because I make this content, but on the size tag, you do have Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP, white diffused blue anthracite. Open this up and you do have the A stamped on the paper. Let it fall on its own. Pulling the second paper down, you should have the kicks, but you don't. Open this up and you got them in here. They're looking fire. Oh my God. These is hard, bro. They're hard. I kind of love the fact that Maniere has been doing what they're doing. They redid the white cements, the black cements, and these giving off true blues with a twist. Nike Air on the back too. Definitely a solid pair coming from Ama. And that's off of first impressions. You already know when it comes to Maniere, the materials are A1 anyway, but let me pull the other sneaker out so we could take a closer look. I did get these straight from GOAT in case y'all were wondering, but here we got them, family. The Maniere Jordan 3s in the diffused blue colorway. The tone of blue that Maniere chose for this pair of sneakers is honestly perfect. It's a muted out blue, but it's not navy. I can't even explain what this looks like. And I also love the fact that they used a matte finish on it. It's just subtle. Throughout the past few years, I realized that I actually just love muted tones, bro. So I love red, but the muted version. I love blue, but the muted version. Same with green and every other color. It just looks and hits way more. Lower the saturation on one of your favorite colors and watch how fire that shit look. But I'm yapping, bro. These released March 15th at a retail of $225, and honestly, I can see this going for below retail. We've seen it on previous Maniere releases, and I don't think people are gonna go too crazy for these. Let me know if y'all think these are gonna go for more than the black version they dropped. Diffused blue wrapping around the ankle of the shoe, Nike Air on the back, and these do come with this protective thing for the back. Came with the tag talking about the color discoloration of the suede. I already expected it. You could see how the suede is faded, but it's just a perfect color combo. You got this dark gray suede. This might be one of my favorite Manieres. I love the color blue. I love a muted tone of the blue, and mixed with that gray, it's just too fire. Nike Air on the back, which is another touch that I love from Maniere. And again, that muted black color is so solid, bro. You just can't go wrong. Tongues have the Jumpman and the Maniere embroidered. Then you do have the hang tags. One of them is just the Maniere cardboard, and you also do have the Jordan OG style hang tag. At least to me, bro. I know we get this little plastic one, but for me, this is the OG joints. Diffused blue on the bottom with the graphite color as well. Now let's get into one of my favorite things when it comes to an Maniere sneaker. It could be a Jordan 3, Jordan 4, doesn't matter what it is for real. It's the details, bro. First and foremost, behind the tab says all we have is each other. Fire. You have to get comfortable walking alone on the other side, which is hard body, bro. That's what I be saying about the detail when it comes to Maniere. They spare no expense. So I kind of get why they be charging charging the $225, and I almost rather pay it for something like this when I know I'm getting premium materials rather than buying a GR like the black cement 3s, for example, for $220 or whatever they were charging, and they give us that green glow leather. Let me know in the comments if y'all feel the same way, or am I tripping? I don't think OGs get a pass. If you're charging me more, at least give me a little bit more, bro. It doesn't have to be nothing crazy. Similar to how the Black Cat 3s didn't have the embroidery behind the ankle, they remove certain details and then charge us more. It just doesn't make sense. But when it comes to an Ama, they have the quilted sock liner. It almost feels like satin on the inside. There's also a quilted insole with the embroidered patch talking about Ama Maniere. Fire, bro. Details on point. I can't even lie. Sometimes the laces say shit. I don't even think these have it. Nah, more detail when it comes to it. You get a hang tag, box sleeve, and all that. You get what I'm saying? So you almost rather pay it compared to another Jordan 11 with less detail. That's just me personally. I feel like a lot of other sneakerheads also could agree. They come with an extra set of laces. It's like a slightly creamier color. Suede is always hitting when it comes to Ama too. And the Nike Air, bro, come on, stop playing with them. People just be sleeping for no reason, which, speaking of, while y'all were sleeping, I thought these were fire, and they're going for damn near retail, I think, at this point. They were below retail for the longest, and it's a banger. Like, quality on these is superior to the black cements, and it's clearly visible from the suede hits on the back, the different pops of this washed out burgundy and the suede right here. Perfect hits from Ama, and they're going below retail. So I personally wouldn't recommend you to buy these at what they're going for right now, because at the end of the day, by the time they release, they're gonna end up going for $100 less, if not more, realistically. That's really the main reason I be telling y'all to not buy these sneakers early. It just doesn't make sense for everybody. It's a beautiful shoe that I love having in my collection now. I think this one will get a lot of wear. Let me show you why. Look at these, and then look at these. Like, come on. Hopefully they reimagine these real soon. I actually need them. For now, we got the Ama Maniere version, which is kind of what I was telling y'all earlier. They did the true blues at this point, but the muted version. Ama Maniere basically dropped the white cements, black cements, and the true blues with a twist head ass. And I'm loving it, bro. I'm eating it up. Low key, they need to do it with every release. Like, every OG release, give me one of these. It almost seems like what they've been doing now that I really think about it. Cause think about it. With the 12s, they gave us the flu games and the cherries, but with a twist. Right here, we got all of them with a twist. So I'm expecting fire reds at this point. The fire burgundy joints. I honestly can't even choose a favorite out of these because they all look like the OG, so they have a special place for me. White cements is one of my favorites, and they bring back nostalgia for me, so I love these right here. Black cements, you just can't go wrong. This might be my favorite out of all three, just simply because of the wearability that these come with. This true blue color, bro, it's just different, especially coming from Ama Maniere. So I'm digging these for real. I can't wait to see what these look like on feet, which if y'all do want to see that, make sure y'all get this video to 400 likes. These actually drop in like 2 months, but I guess I could drop the review super early if that's something y'all want to see. 450 likes if y'all want to see the early review for the Ama Maniere Jordan 3s in the diffused blue colorway. These are hard, bro. Similar to the black pair they dropped, I was showing those on every top 10 list, but I still told y'all don't buy them because you could get them for the low, which could possibly happen with this pair right here. These are currently going for like 3 something last time I checked, and I can see them going for 2 flat, maybe even lower. These right here were going for below retail too. So it's like, do I bite the bullet and pay 300 for them, or do I wait to get them at retail, or possibly even wait and get them below retail? We just gotta see how much stock there's gonna be and how much people actually want these. That pretty much does it for the first look of the Ama Maniere Jordan 3 in the diffused blue colorway, which is set to release March 15th. Let me know if this pair is gonna be on your hit list coming March. Personally, I think it's a banger, and at retail, I would get them, but y'all could possibly not buy them for retail and end up buying them for under retail, which would be a banger situation. If you could get these for like 160, 170 below retail after the release, it's a no-brainer for me. That's why I would say don't buy the Jordan 3 Ama Maniere diffused blue. Just my opinion. Don't flame me in the comments for having them. You do what you want to do with your money, because I literally bought them early just to show y'all. That doesn't mean I would like y'all to spend as much as as I spent on them for no fucking reason. If y'all enjoyed, make sure you go down below and get this one to 400 likes if you want to see that on foot for the Diffused blue Maniere Jordan 3s. Also subscribe to the channel because we're on road to 30K. We could low-key pull up on that real soon if all of y'all end up subscribing. I appreciate all of y'all. Thank you for always showing love down below. I try to comment back to at least every comment, if not 70%, bro. I'm in there though. All that being said, these are 2 videos YouTube would recommend you to watch based on your previous history. Click one of those 2 and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.